This demo will walk you through how to place different types of orders using the ETNA trading platform, including market, limit, stop, trailing, OCO, and OTO orders. To open an order, you will need to go to the Trade Ticket widget, select the symbol, number of shares, and the order type. Let's select NVIDIA as the symbol and 100 shares. Let's start with the basics. A market order fills immediately at the best price. Here we can see bid and ask prices. To open a buy order, hit the buy button. Here you can see the verification result modal window with order details in order to execute. Hit the trade button and your order is opened. To see it, you can go to the Orders tab, and here we can see the NVIDIA order by quantity of 100 shares. Let's review the other types of orders. A limit order gives you control over your entry or exit by selecting the limit price. Additionally, you can choose stop or stop limit order types to automate execution. At price thresholds, stop and stop limit orders are ideal for breakout entries or loss control. A trailing stop follows the market to lock in gains. Trailing stop limit adds precision to trailing logic. Let's review the OCO type of order, or one cancels the other. OCO lets you manage exit risk, place a take profit, and a stop loss together. When one executes, the other is automatically canceled. With OTO, you can set a parent order that automatically triggers a follow-up. Great for planning exits after entry fills, from one-click trades to advanced rule-based strategies. ETNA's Trade Ticket gives you the tools to trade confidently.